Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am excited to show you this very special collab that the Happy Planner is releasing as part of their fall release. Now, the fall release is on September the 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are a few coupon codes. I'll make sure to have them in this video and also linked in the description box below. There are over 200 SKUs in this release. It is a big release, and I was very grateful to the Happy Planner for sending me some of the parts of the release. You can check out unboxings and flip throughs on my channel to get an idea of what is coming, but make sure you check in on September the 6th for preview day over at the Happy Planner, and then of course the release is September the 8th. So I am going to share with you in this video about the special collab between Graceful Art and the Happy Planner. So if you're interested in checking it out, let's go. All right, so the Happy Planner has several very cool collaborations that are going on this fall release. And the first one that I am so excited about is this one, and it is called Graceful Heart, and it is created by Grace. This is Grace from Graceful Art. You can read some of her story on the back, and of course, Happy Planner will be sharing more about Grace as we go through, but this is so pretty. You are going to love it. I'm so excited about this collection, you guys, like super excited. So this is a vertical planner. It starts in 2023. This is the classic size, and here's the front. It says spread more joy, and look at these blue metal discs. Yes, they are so pretty. So here it is. Here's the front, and then look at that striking blue. The blue in this collab is like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Blue in the back as well. Okay, so vertical layout, gorgeous colors. This is just, the colors give me life. I love the colorful planners. And we have the splatters down the middle, pink on this side, kind of a teal on this side. 2023, 2024. Let's keep going. This is definitely going to be a colorful planner, and you can tell right away because all of the boxes are shaded in this look at the year ahead. We have this kind of orangish color coming into the green, purple, and pink. For all of my color lovers that are the missing color in their planners, this is coming back. So we have January right here as the currently page. Spread more joy. Look at that. So pretty. And then here we are on the monthly view. So there's a little bit of color up here, January 2023. We have the color down the middle and then a little bit on this side. So not too much. You will certainly be able to like work with that and add to that with stickers if you so please, but there's a little bit on there. And then here is our weekly layout. So again, a little bit of color down the middle, not too much color right here on this week's list in December, January, the month up there. But otherwise, not too much color. Looks like the same throughout the month. Of course, a quote on the third week, kind of a Happy Planner staple. And that's what the month looks like. Now we go on to February. We're adding in some purple. It says make every day count. This is definitely purple as our color for the month of February. Let's check out March. Oh, I love this one. Look for the good. So pretty. Pink looks like our color for March. Yep, there's pink. Coming into April, it says chase your dreams. I love it. I love these collaborations. I think it's such a fun way to get introduced to new artists. If you are a Happy Planner consumer, you get introduced to artists that you would not have maybe otherwise known, and it brings in so much fresh art, a fresh look for the Happy Planner. Look at that. Believe in the good. Love that. I think we're back to purple from May. Yes, perfect. June, be kind to you. It's just so pretty. Kindness counts. I love all of this kind of abstract paint. This is so good. Oh, look at this one. Create joy with the purple foiling. Matches the tab right there. Let's see. September, live in the moment. These are beautiful. They look so pretty with the blue disc, you guys. The world needs what you got. Love it. Be present for November. Oh, it's just so good. And then we have own who you are for December. Back page of notes. Graceful Heart, Plan a Happy Life. I love it. Okay, so there's also a sticker book. I think there's a few other items in this collab. These are the ones I received. Here is the sticker book. Let's do a flip through of this. This, again, all of the color, all of the mixed media feel is calling my name. And we start off strong with the hollow. Dream in color, have a grateful heart. Balance is beautiful. Gorgeous. Find joy and simplicity. I love it. And then some longer boxes. So pretty. Every day is a gift. Kindness counts. I like these boxes. It's kind of a different style. That's pretty. Now these are quotes. I believe this is clear. Let's check. It's clear, but it's like translucent. So hello sunshine. Kindness counts. Live with love. Thankful. Very pretty. Okay, you guys, these are the little to-dos. Like, this is what the sticker looks like. But I totally feel like you could cut out and use some of this other art. There's a ton in there. Ton of headers. Some big, clear, choose kind, grateful and happy, create your own magic. A few little tab pieces. These are so awesome. Circles for like bullets. We have functional circle stickers, vertical boxes, more vertical boxes, dot grid. These are for your monthly layout because you have the little notch, but you can layer them however you like, of course. Dream in color, I love that. Follow your heart. Live in the moment, the world needs what you got, own who you are. This one is clear. Back to paper, double boxes, and these are like the half circles. Love the long sidebar. So pretty. More long sidebars, those are my favorites. I use them. I'll use those up for sure. Those are cool for to-do lists. I like that they're blank in the middle. A lot of times those are filled with dot grid, so I like that they're blank. And then, hello, so pretty. Here we have boxes. These are, ta-da, just boxes, a little bit of color. So just here, just a little bit of color, not too much. So it's not going to overdo it, but good for layering. Some half circles, checklists, more half circles, more checklists. Hollow word Betty. Oh my goodness. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Train your mind to see the good in everything. When I make with my hands, I give of my heart. So good. These are a great size box. I love the squares. And half circles. Squares again, this time with dot grid. Some alpha on clear. Look at more hollow triangles this time. I love the hollow. I think it's so fun. Hollow quotes. Now is the time. Hollow kind of starry look. Splatters, I guess you would say. Hollow splatters. And then hollow alpha. So pretty. So those are a couple of items from the Graceful Heart Collection, the collab with Grace Place. I will definitely be looking at the rest of this collab because I think it is so beautiful and I'm so excited about this particular collab. So again, I will have a link down in the description box to the Happy Planner. That's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you any more to shop that link, but it does really help my channel when you're able to shop it. The preview goes up on September the 6th. The sale goes on September the 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to use a coupon code. It's like the more you spend, the bigger percentage off you get. So you can start making your wish lists on September the 6th and kind of figure out what it is you're going to buy. Let me know what you think of this collection. Let me know just look at Grace. You guys, like, this is so cute. I'm so excited about this collab. Let me know what you think in the description box below. Otherwise, I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.